Hi friends, welcome to Mathstoon. In today's video, we will learn to find the divisors of 21. If you want to learn more about the divisors, please visit mathstoon.com. Now let's start. At first, we will find all the ways in which we can divide 21. Firstly, we will try to divide 21 by 1. And this gives us 21. So 1 and 21 are the divisors of 21. Now look that as this is an odd number, so it will not be divisible by 2. So we will try for 3 now. 21 divided by 3 is equal to 7. So we get 3 and 7 as the divisors of 21. Now look that there is no number between 3 and 7 which can divide 21. So we will stop right now. So we have all the divisors of 21 which are in orange colors. These are 1, 3, 7 and 21. So the total number of divisors of 21 is 4. Now if we look at these divisors, we can see that 3 and 7 among these numbers are prime numbers because these two numbers do not have any divisor other than 1 and that number itself. So we can say that the prime divisors of 21 are 3 and 7. Thank you for watching. Please like and share it and comment in the comment box. Do not forget to subscribe this channel.